Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalatu wassalamu alayka ya Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'm really excited to share the experiences of a sister from UK who recites Salawat and Safar every day. And she's new to this recitation, to this routine. And the thing is that it's really nice of her to share in her own voice. I don't know why people are always shy. Though, when people hear your voice, that definitely adds a genuine and personal touch to your story. And you can actually connect with the listeners. You can leave a lasting impact on the listeners. And again, everybody has a unique style of sharing their experience and story, So when you tell your Salawat experience, it brings a unique, I'll say, a flavor to the words, and which obviously I cannot capture. Because when you have experienced something, I can never ever express those feelings, express that experience. So that's why I said that I'm really thankful to this sister for sharing her experience in her own voice. And I would also encourage everyone to share your story of Salawat in your own voice. It's simple, you can always record your experience on your mobile phone and you can send it to me on WhatsApp or email it to me. And you know what? It's a big time saver for me. It's a big help. Otherwise, I have to write your story, take notes from your voice note, and then record all of that in my own voice, which is time consuming. And I definitely miss the personal touch that your own voice brings. So please, I request all of you to share your Salawat story in your own voice. And please always remember that it will be a continuous Sadaqah Jariyah from you. Alhamdulillah, we are touching 180,000 subscribers to the channel. And if only one person start reciting Salawat after listening to your voice note, what a great impact and what a great Sadaqah Jariyah it will be for you and your generations to come. So let's listen to the sister from UK. And while listening to her, we can keep reciting Salawat.
Assalamu alaikum. And I live in the UK. I just wanted to share my experience with Darood. I have been reciting Astaghfirullah for a while, consistently, but not, I would say, always excessive or set amounts. Sometimes it's 200, 300, some days it's 2,000, 3,000, But I had a try and recite a lot. I try and recite every day. Recently, I came across this group and I realized that there's a lot of benefit to reciting Darood as well. And we all know Darood Sharif is very, you can't pray or do a dua with or without Darood beginning or after. So I always knew that, but the recitation, I was sort of coming across videos and I just looked more into it, found this group and started listening to these wonderful stories and everybody's experiences, and I started reciting Darood. I picked a very small Darood that I like. Sallallahu ala habibihi Muhammadin wa alihi wasallam is one of my ones. It kind of rolls off my tongue, so I really like this one. And Sallallahu ala Muhammad is another one that I picked for reciting in Kasrat, excessive. So I started reciting that. Again, not very excessively, because I still wanted to keep doing Astaghfar. So my target was to sort of do 1K each, considering I have a job, which I do 9 to 5, and I also have a family. So my experience has been very, very good and humbling, actually, because 2 or 3 different things had happened in my life with my job, and on a personal experience, I had an accident. And if you know, in the UK, we're all insured, and I used my insurance. It was my fault. I hit another car, so I had to use my insurance company to fix my car and also fix the other person's car. And when this happens, the next time my insurance gets renewed, it will get higher. The premiums get higher. So this is something that's to be expected. And I've never, ever had an accident before this happened to me. And it was a very unfortunate event. But again, it was supposed to happen. It was the way Allah had written. So alhamdulillah for everything, but that happened. But I was expecting that when my insurance will come up for renewal, that this will be the case, that I will have to pay a bigger amount. So alhamdulillah, September, just now, I got my renewal quote, and I was so shocked to see that my insurance only went up by a few pounds. Nothing, not even £10 difference per month that I had normally paid. And that was a big shock to me, very big shock to me, because this is something that everybody knows that happens. So this is number one thing that happened. Number two was related to my job. Every month I work in this field, in the pharmaceutical field, and with my company, I'm working on 2 or 3 different projects, and every month we get a bonus as well. And for the last month or two, my projects were running low, and I was not expecting a big bonus. Not at all, not this month at all. And it was so strange and wonderful that when I received notification that my bonus was actually going to be higher than the previous 2 months, and I don't know how this is happening, and it's just been such a pleasing shock. But inside, I knew that this is the Darood and the Istighfar that I've been doing, but the addition of Darood has really amplified the barakat in my life. I feel I am much more content and happier in my life, day-to-day basis. Things that would make me anxious, kids or family or anything, it's not affecting me like that anymore. Stress levels have gone down considerably, and alhamdulillah, I do feel so much more at peace. I think Sadia Ji and Humera Ji's, I love listening to their podcasts, and I think they have been so instrumental in me reciting this, and all the ajr and the sadaqah goes to them. So I hope they keep doing what they're doing. Inshallah, I'm waiting on a couple of more things that are due to happen, and I can't share just now because it's not happened, and it would be very premature to say. But inshallah, I might be coming back to give some more experiences soon, inshallah. But please, whoever listens to this, please keep me in your du'as, and I will pray for everybody that listens to this as well, that may Allah Ta'ala, accept all your jais, dili khwahishat, and give you success in all aspects of your life. Ameen summa ameen. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.